once the information is credible, the courts will rule in their favor. And it doesn't matter who's holding what office. I know that our country may breed a lot of corruption, but I still believe that somewhere in the various tenets of our country, there are some people who are honest.
Who will stand,
there are some people who
have integrity,
and there are some people who will do the right thing and be just and fair to to come before our justice system, before our court system, before our government systems.
I believe so.
You know? So we can only hope for the best in all of these things.
Right.
And we realize, and I believe that there are some places where politics doesn't control it. The decisions are made fairly and justly without political interference or partisan politics
and we thank God for that.
Playing a major role.
And we thank God for that.
Only God we can thank for that.
Yes.
Now, I know we beg to differ. I believe that pleading is doing an awesome job. I have my issues with them. You know, they recently took a contract from me and my wife, which is fine. And all fine and good.
But job payments though.
Yeah.
But that's my thing. That's why we need a new Bahamas right there.
But they gave it to another set of payments, so that's fine.
Yeah, but still. Why? You had a good explanation?
They have some justification for why the contract was taken. I don't know that I agree with that, but yeah.
But listen.
But I'll say this though, and I'll say this. I feel that these persons are still operating in their office, and they have a right to operate. And it is up to us to determine that whether they will remain in office by us going there and showing support or withdrawing our support.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying?
Well, you know, like I say, I have no issue with Mr. Sweeten.
Yeah.
I respect him as a man. I like him.
Yeah.
But I expect him
to
stand up for what is happening. These guys.
But he cannot go on national television and say the people of Roxanne are not being treated fairly. He can't do it because
Right. Tell him why he can't do it.
He can't do it because, of course, he represents the government, and you don't want that message being sent. That'll make the government look bad. Because how is it that you know that the people are not being treated fairly, and you ain't doing nothing about it?
Bahamas Striping license them truck, yeah?
Well, hopefully, I know they license them. But hopefully, I believe Bahamas Striping has licensed them. I can look at one when I leave another early in the morning, I forgot. But yeah, I believe Bahamas.
You know them police are ragging me if I ain't got no license on my truck.
Yes, they would. Yes, they would.
So could it be that they got the same boss?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see, you ain't holding on $180 million.
No.
So that's the difference.
No. See, I'm gonna share this with you. One of my friends before he died, he sent a message to my phone. He said, the people at Disney is calling for all the truck drivers and the heavy equipment operators.
Yeah.
I sent a message back to his phone. I said, Disney is not sending for me.
Yeah.
They sending for y'all.
Yeah.
Because you're looking for something from them. You see, when the man sent for you, he can tell you what he can give you.
Thank you very much.
You see? When you come looking for me and you want to talk to me, I'm telling you what the deal is with me.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? You have to be careful with that.
Different people said that.
You see?
Standards.
And that's why, like you said, 7 minutes and camps was working in the beginning.
Yes.